Hey guys, it's Lena from the Norfolk County Public Library, and I'm here today to show you how to make a bird feeder. So today at lunch, I had a grapefruit and I thought, what can I do with my grapefruit? Well, I scooped out the grapefruit so I have the rind left. So what we're gonna do is anytime, say maybe for your snack you had an orange, maybe cut it up a little bit differently, scoop out the inside, and we're gonna make some bird food, some mixtures of bird seed and peanut butter. We're gonna mix it together, put it in, and then put some string in so we can hang it up on a tree. A great way of using something you're probably just gonna throw out. So the first thing is cut your grapefruit in half, or any fruit with a rind, and scoop out the middle part. Next part is we're gonna take some bird seeds. So I just have black sunflower seeds here. I'm gonna put them in the bowl, and then I'm gonna add some peanut butter. And who doesn't like peanut butter? Mix it all together. Sometimes it's a little tricky because the peanut butter is pretty sticky. You can use all sorts of different seeds as well. It doesn't just have to be sunflower seeds. You can use different types of butter too, like almond butter, or you could put like a suet in it as well. Basically, the grapefruit is just going to hold whatever you want to feed the birds. So I think I'm going to add some more seeds. I know one bird that loves sunflower seeds is a blue jay. So once you have it all mixed up, you can kind of see what it looks like here. We're gonna scoop it out, and hopefully we have enough to fill the whole grapefruit. Well, I might have to make a little bit more. There we go. And it's holding our bird seed and our peanut butter. So the next part is, we're gonna poke some holes in the grapefruit on the sides and put some string through so we can hold it up. So you probably want to ask an adult for some help. I'm gonna use a knife to create the holes, but there might be something better that you can use to do that. So we're just gonna create a bit of a hole, so poke it right through. And then you're gonna put the string through, which there we go, poke it through. And expect to get messy because it's peanut butter. Okay, so there's one side. So you want to do this on 3 sides. It's a little messy. You know, next time you might want to actually do this before you put the bird seed in. Hindsight is 20/20. Okay. It's okay. It's okay to get a little messy. Okay, so we've got all our knots, all our string on, and voila, your very own bird feeder, eco-friendly. So all you have to do is go outside, hang it up on something, sit back and enjoy the bird show.